guys, welcome to 3L Vlogs. Today I am going to show you a science experiment with water. I am going to take a piece of cardboard. I am going to place this cardboard onto the glass filled with water like this. And I am going to put it upside down. Look, a single drop of water didn't fall. Look, you can see. Okay, this is a science experiment. Okay, I'm going to do the second experiment. For this second experiment, we need a balloon, a disposable glass, a cup of water. It's a water experiment. I'm going to blow this balloon. I'm going to tie it. I'm going to blow some more. Okay, now I'm going to make a hole through that disposable glass. You can see. So that our water could pass. Okay, I'm going to make a hole. I place a hole to this disposable glass. I am going to rub thoroughly with the balloon with this cloth and it for water. Look, the water slants.